The gates of shadows fell, but shadow energy crept into this world. That's how I found my new home. At first, I was weak. Some tried to fight me. I became stronger. Some tried to control me. I developed new forms. Some tried to experiment on me. I deepened my knowledge about them. Finally, I gained consciousness. Now my evolution is complete. Behold, the Shadow Mind, your new lord. Is there anybody who can match my powers? I don't think so, but I will give you a chance. Let the Shadow Tournament begin. Welcome to